Yeah, you're welcome to Agribusiness Enterprise. Yeah, today we have a very good discussion, and I want to explain you some very good information about the products of Agribusiness Enterprise. Yeah, I think everybody know we are a livestock business enterprise. We do all kind of livestock. We put on training our site because we just we've been in the business for long, but we're doing it gradually because we want to able to master the plan, the results. Then we can able to also open our doors for anybody who want to go into agribusiness. So if you see now, we are injecting the sheep, and there is a one question that I want to answer. Why do we allow them to give birth in this point in time? Yes, it's not the best time. We will change it, but we want to know our mortality rate, and we want to know how are we going to do to prevent zero birth, zero like to make sure we identify the exactly problem what is going on at this point in time, because we have a lot of successful farmers. We already hear their part of stories. We already notice. We are already following up. We have somebody like Mr. Hamisi, yeah, which is very good in agribusiness. We do takes a lot of advice from him. Even in Ghana here, we have a lot of guys like Samaisha Farms. The guy also, Eric, is a good guy. We also learn things from him. But in this case, we want to do our own research. So we thank all those guys. We will come to their point. We will change things, but at least the guys in the agribusiness enterprise, we need to let them go through some exercise, how to let them know the situation to handle it in the rain season. Like rain season now, we have a lot of newborn babies, cows, newborn babies, sheep, newborn babies. So now is a test for the workers, for the veterinaries guys who is in the farm, to make sure we come out successfully. You know, it takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of care, day and night, to make it happen. So that is what we are in now, and this is the data we are keeping. How we inject them, what do we get after injection, what do we get after rain, because now it's every single day there is a rain. Yes, so after this data we are going to keep it, then we go back to the system away, the way our animals, our livestock also can be given birth in the dry season. But in that case, we already keep the data where the wet situation we can control it. Why? Because this is a long journey business. So you can see they are injecting them, both the kids and both the mothers. Yes. So the kids, we give them the mothers. We just make sure they have routine. The kids, we have some of them have their first time injection, and we give them the warmer, because we know time we are even trying some of the medicines to see which work best for us. Thanks to those guys I mentioned their names. Amici is a very good guy. We take a lot of advice from him. We use it and we see that we are getting a lot of results. And we have some things we have to done it better. We do our own research, so we still on the progress. In fact, I can say that we're really happy. We are enjoying farm business. This is a passion. This is a passion. You see, I think when you look at it, the most happiest thing to do. This is part of your daily life. Very busy, on, happy, peace. See the progress is coming day by day. So we have a cows. You can see these two kids are very good. And can I even tell you one very good story we have in these farms? Can you believe this guy just gave birth to two kids? Very nice kids. Look, very wonderful. So these are the researches we are going through. Very nice kids, two female kids, you know. So as I was saying, we have a cow also give birth, and we put him in the system. We want to see how it's going to respond to the treatment here. We join the cows with the sheep to make sure they can able to use to each other, and it's going very well with us. We have seen a very good improvement in that. Yes, so that one too is another thing. We are going in progress, and we see we are making progress on that. You can put them together, stay together, go together, and we'll be healthy together. We already done that. We already see the results. Now, you can see this is a very nice woman with a baby, very nice baby. Yeah. Then I'm going to show you another one there. All these ones are pregnant sheep, and we're expecting them to this season. This is a rain season. Before the end of the rain season, all will give birth. This is their father. Yeah, you can see him, very nice guy there. He can do his job very well. So Agribusiness Enterprise, as I was saying, this company is gradually, we are keeping the very good data, very organized data for a near future use. We are keeping a track of the rain season, and then we are keeping track of the growth rate, and we want to compare the rain season and the dry season, because we need to know the details ourselves. So we are still on that work. Now, you that you are watching me, please subscribe. We still have a lot to come on. We are in the early stages. We are in our steady stages. When it comes to work, we are doing our best to make sure we provide a very good information for you, future anybody who want to come into farming. As I was saying, you can see here that the grass is there. Why? This area there we are, there is a grasses, all these grasses, we have one grass, we call it our local name. It do suck mosquitoes, it do suck all these bacteria. So in those days we do cut it, we burn it live, all the flies will run, all the mosquitoes will run. So very fortunately, all these places those things are growing. You can see the new cow on the ground there. They are playing with him. Very nice. All the cows and goats are going together. All the cows and sheep are going together. There is not any problem. They live together, they stay together. These cows have their living place. We people still bring them here to use to each other. Yes. Sometimes we do bring the sheep to the cow side. They stay together. And we did not see any infection, anything different. We just feel that they are together and going. You can see the guys on the ground. They are checking their newborn cow. Very nice girl. Yeah. So as I was saying, it's very possible that they can stay together, and it help you in terms of labor. When we started the way we started this business almost 8 years ago. Yes, but we did not just concentrating on multiplying them. We were having our vision, so we know when we want to take it to go. Yes, the data is very important to us. Personally, we are the one, we take all the details around, but we want to check it and see what we can add and what is real and what we need to do. Yeah, so I can, you can see here, yes, we just bring this. So, we normally need to put in a feeder so that they will put it inside. So in this point, I can see that the guys need the training in this place, but we need to add some equipment. So based on the equipment, I'm also haven't arrived yet. So we are still just using it till the equipment arrive. Yeah. So we are on the progress. See, black and white, that is the father color. You can see red and white, that is the mother color. Very nice. They're growing very fine. Yeah, they're growing very fine. We just make sure everything goes as planned. I was telling you this girl is a very nice girl. It's the white, one color for the husband, one color for the husband. You see, black and white is the male, and he is the red and white. Very beautiful. And this was wonderful thing because giving birth for the first time and give birth to two. I think we are the most lucky. Because I read online, I check a lot of information. This is the time we are able to take that back. So I can tell you, this girl with the kids, we are keeping their data very, very well. To make sure we are very lucky to give them to two girls. These two girls, we want to maintain their data, to give us to give birth, then we see what are we going to achieve by their direction. These are the kind of things we are trying to find on the ground. Yeah, these are the things we are trying to find. Now, let's go to the sheep, the cows. Here practically is the cow side. You keep the one that gave birth, you can see the baby apple. All these guys all that is have gone. And they say, okay. Beautiful. I love it. Wow. Now, we are going to talk about the cow business. How this new the business is a patient something. And I want to encourage you, if you have a mind against that business, patient job, and you need to give yourself time. Dreams all come and lead towards a generational thing. Done thousands of years before us, so it's something that all our forefathers have done, and there is a success on it. Especially we got our areas is very good for animal farming. You already know what benefits animal farming, livestock and all sort of farming, but especially cows need a time. Yes, cows need a time. So when you go into cow, you don't need to just put it in your mind 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. I don't think that's possible. At least you need to give yourself 5 years. Yes, I think my own personal view is when you keep yourself 5 years, there are some days when I need to see you are getting off the work. You can get it within 2 years, you can do 3 years, but when you have a more time, 100% you are going to succeed in the best. When you come to sheep, when you come to goats, you are quick to go. But your treatment have to be very, very, very important. Because cows are more stronger, they are resisting a lot of sickness more than the sheep and the goats. So the quicker your results come from goat side, then the stronger the treatment have to keep on going. Warming them, giving them whatever they need to make sure they take them. Yeah, so as I said, you can see the cow and back to the cow. And this young girl, when we want to, before he gives birth again, he's going to take a lot of time. So, if we just rush now, I don't think it's going to work out. This is a future job. This is a happy job. This is a blessing job. This is a job that when you are in, you always feel happy. Especially when you take care of your animal very good. When you see them, you feel happy because even in God said you need to take care of them. See, so that is it. So as I was saying, the business enterprise, we are ready for partnership. Anybody who wants to partner with us? If you are a vet or you are a livestock farmer, our doors are open. Share ideas together how we can improve Africa agribusiness. Yes, Africa will have everything. We don't have nothing. We are the ones who build it to the top. When you are a livestock farmer, just contact us. Whatever country you are, I told you we have a lot of guys from different countries are getting us to Mr. Hanifi, from Uganda, so there's no matter of we are in Africa, we are in West Africa, and just in general, especially in Africa, wherever you find yourself, we need to link up together, we need to work together, we need to create a good business, which is going to make us bring quality food on the table, which will make we have to create employment, make sure we use agriculture as a path, opportunity, employment. Look at how Africa will be. This is one of our major goals. So our doors is open as a business enterprise. Contact us at any time you want. We can visit you wherever country you are. We can visit us. Trying to put a very good. 'Cause. 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 'C Yeah, so I'm very happy to for us to discuss this issue. Thank you very much for your watching. Thank you. Thank you.